unboxing my new gimbal kasi na-open ko na siya sa scissors. So we'll see what's inside. Hala ay mag full-time vlogger na daw si Mami Tiyay, no? Ay, ang cute niya. Ito siya. Steady first use. Okay. My tutorial. Ang liit lang niya.
I'm flamingo.
Yung flamingo.
That's not
Ganda
a
siya.
phone.
No, it's not a phone lang ga. This is for Mami's vlogging here.
And it's not a toy?
No, at eto siya, detachable yung remote niya. So maganda talaga siya pag family pictorial or mag-shooting ng videos kasi nga ang remote niya is detachable.
Remote?
Hala, ang cute niya. Tinggaling-galing.
Remote?
Yes.
Just shut.
To shots the videos to gaya.
Mom, can I try?
Of course. No, Mommy. First, we'll try lang ga. Agay. Dili ma-open ito yay sa usara ka kamot. Wait a moment. So, this is it.
So,
Okay.
Kika can do it.
Bakit nag-blur?
Can
Ito
you
yung
share
light
it?
niya,
Can
which
you
is,
share?
of course, sharing, Kika.
Sharing is caring.
Yes, of course. Undetachable din siya. Isn't it nice?
I touch
Hindi na uso yung ring light.
Mama
Ito na
really
siya.
touch it.
Tapos, stop! Mommy is doing... Oh my God. Nana ko'y kuan sa akong vlogging ba? Ini nga kung anak. Tapos, ito yung remote, which is detachable siya. So, napili ko siya kasi maganda yung may detachable remote kumpara sa dito lang siya talaga. And then, meron din tong face detection. So, magde-detect siya ng face. Hala, gigisi na sa akong anak ang manual nami. Oy!
Ooh, it's like a
Agay ka nice ba nimo?
Mom, it's like a TV.
It's like a TV. Yes. Nakapalit na yun.
It's like this. Can you see?
Hala no? So, mag-vlogger, nag-tani, continuous na ninato atong professions. Uy, kay unsa na
Mommy,
bataan
is
ni?
it from here?
Ang ganda niya. Can't wait to try it. Ito yung
Can
zoom
you
in and zoom
share?
out, I guess.
I can make it like this.
Mhm.
Can you share it?
Nia, give me the remote lang ka. Nagilaruan na.
Can you
Ito
share
yung
with
remote.
me?
Yeah, of course, we can share it with you
Share
lang
it
ga.
with me.
So, I gonna read the manual of how to use. Na, dili na gyud ni mauhay akong kinaapo ko yung mga little vlogger pod lang tawa pod can't wait.
Can you share for this out for Kita?
Yes, of course. And that's it. I unpacked already and unboxed already my new gimbal. Hohen gimbal. Bye.